Hello, everybody.
Hi everybody, my name is Maria
I'm Max.
and we are
Confused
but excited about Victoria Falls.
Hey.
This is ridiculous.
Oh my God, this is
Yeah.
So we finally ventured out of our little safe zone.
Yep.
And we are safely traveling in Zimbabwe, and we're gonna see the largest waterfalls in the world.
As you can see,
Yeah.
We hired her. What is it?
Rented
these
some
rain ponchos,
yeah.
raincoats. So
Yeah. It's
I feel
a beautiful
like
day.
it's gonna be intense, but
yeah, you apparently get soaked.
yeah.
It is called Mos Oatunya.
Mosi or Atunya. Mosi is moshi, which is smoke.
Yeah.
I know it's the smoke that thunders.
Yeah.
So I think that the moshi part is similar to Kiswahili.
Yeah. So we're learning about the falls before we get all wet.
Yes.
People have been here for 3 million years. Yeah, just coming around the bend, you hear this huge roar. It's really something.
The path is pretty flat, and it's paved and wide. Wow!
Oh my God! Wow! Wow! We have watched from the mountains.
What? This is ridiculous.
Oh my God! This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Wow.
Also, I love how this is no rail.
Yeah,
like,
that's true.
Don't lean against this.
No, I'm just holding this, but yeah, probably.
Wow! Oh my God! It's so beautiful! It's so beautiful!
Hold on. Look at that. That's amazing.
Wow.
How small do you feel?
So the right size. I feel like just so exactly the size I need to be.
To this wonder. We're approaching point number 4. Ah, baby, hold me.
Oh!
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 Wow. This is stupid. This doesn't make any sense.
Woo!
So we're at number 4. The path starts to curve down a little bit, so
I think you could do what we've done so far with like a wheelchair.
yeah,
It's definitely like if you had people to help you, it's definitely manageable.
it's definitely manageable.
This is like
You could do it with a motorized wheelchair
This is
as
the
well.
coolest place like I've ever been.
Yeah,
Like I'm
this is
serious. This is not.
It's definitely raining
Yeah.
over here.
It's raining sideways.
Another amazing view. Look at this. Look. Look, come here. This is a good photo. Look at that. So amazing.
No words.
What
No
are your
words.
words?
Zero.
So
I kind of
good.
want to pee in it.
Max 2021 immortalized. He kind of wants to pee in it.
Just a little bit. Overgrown and luscious.
It's so luscious. Apparently it's a rainforest.
Oh wow.
Like because of the rain, the water vapor, it's technically like provides enough rain to be classified
it's
as a
like
rainforest.
The other, we've both been to a highland rainforest
Which
before.
one?
In Machu Picchu.
Oh yeah?
It's high enough that it gets rain, it gets
Yeah.
enough moisture from the cloud cover
Wow.
that it's classified as
As a rainforest?
So
Yeah.
similarly, this is getting pounded with enough water.
This is crazy.
Wow.
This must be what it's like to walk through a cloud,
Yeah, like nature.
Nature.
You were doing this,
What is this?
and I wasn't told. Now we're being just dusted with the most lovely warm mist.
Yeah. Look at this section. I like this little tiny stream of water on the left. That's like, well, I'm just gonna go my own way, Mom. You guys, you can't see. This literally looks like fire. Like, it's truly like the smoke that thunders. So far, what, point, I think 6? Yeah. This is the wettest it's been so far. And it's really not that bad. So this is number 7. Yay! Too contemplative. is trapped. We are at point number 9.
The one where in which you become a wet man.
Yeah.
It was like a misty day in like the North Bay.
It's like the best
foggy.
mist I've ever seen.
It's just so misty.
Just so foggy.
Even
Whoa. Hey.
we were at point number 9. It was so rainy here that the rain turned off the camera.
Yeah.
It's like, nope, you have to pay the $30 if you want to see this.
Yeah, we're like, yeah, the rain ponchos are a scam. Nope, they're not.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Off the camera and whatever you do.
It's
so amazing. It's like not
This
a
is
cloud
literally
in the
all
sky.
spray. Oh my god.
I've been living most of my life living in a gangster's paradise.
Like my hair gel is going to my eyes. It's a situation. A situation. Wow. This is amazing! Throw out your wish for the universe.
Just more of this, more of you.
More of this, more of you!
Tonight on Survivor.
Oh Lord.
So, we watched from the mountains.
Oh man, we danced in the rain.
A million out of 10. Thanks for sticking around.
Again, like and subscribe.
We love you.
Love you guys.
Do go chasing waterfalls. Don't stick to the rivers or whatever that you used to.
Bye.
I saw a rainbow yesterday in the